This dash cam was sent to me to check out, and I'm super excited that they did send it because I've been in the market for one, and after looking at all of the cool features on this one might be a good one. Let's take a look at the inside the box and then we're gonna set it up. So, as we take a look here, really impressed with the quality of the box. Some people really care about that. I don't know, that's not really me, but some people do. So, nice little explanation here about what all the parts are. So we have that. The camera itself, which we'll grab in just a second. In here we have the user manual and then a sticker meant to help adhere the camera. So that's interesting. A little book with some stuff about the app. Then the full manual here, which is always helpful. All right, so yep, we just have some cable clips there. Then I assume that's the mount situation. Oh, okay, this is the rear camera with a enormous amount of space or amount of cord here, which will be great for getting to the back of my car. I have a Subaru Outback, so I want to make sure that it's going to be able to get to the back of it. That's great. And then that is the rear camera itself. So that seems nice too. I like that it comes with a little screen protector there just to make sure nothing gets damaged in transit. And it does already have the sticker here for attaching it. Then in here we have the power supply, more sort of mounting clippy things. Yep, that's the pry tool I was telling you about. So that's gonna allow you to get to the back, sort of behind the headliner and stuff to hide the cord, so that'll be helpful. And then the power cord, which again, super long cord, which is nice so that we can hide the cord and it doesn't have to be showing. I love that. And then the camera itself. Take a look at that bad boy. It's really pretty. I like it. I like that it has the adhesive there already. It has the power supply right here on the back, and gives you some quick instructions as to how to run it right off the bat, which is nice, so you can sort of hit the ground running without needing to use that manual. I am one who likes to try to do it without the manual. It does look like it comes with an included SD card. What? Nothing ever comes with an included card. Red power button. Again, the screen is covered with a protective film. And it looks like, yeah, that's going to be a little bit adjustable here. So as you can see, you can adjust it. Yeah, okay, so obviously, not obviously, this part goes on your glass, and then this part will sort of, you know, go out the front windshield. So I'm pretty stoked about this. It looks like it's going to be great. It seems like it's high quality. I'm going to get this installed up, and then I'm going to take you for a drive and we're going to see how it works.